Here at Biggs Harley Davidson, we have a 2018 CVO Street Glide in color gray with some orange graphics. This bike has a 117 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. It has everything you want and need in a touring bike. We have a lower fairing, stage 2 boom audio, heated grips, premium audio, cruise control, GPS, rider backrest. Only 1,776 miles. It's barely been broken in. Previous owner installed an S&S exhaust. Let's see how that sounds. This bike is available for test rides 7 days a week here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos.